What's up, everyone? We're back with another 2-minute drill. That's What's up, everyone? Let's go Panthers. We're back here with another 2-minute drill. That's 1 week of trading highlights in the span of about 2 minutes. Let's go Panthers! The Panthers have made the playoffs for the 4th straight year. We're going to be coming for Boston. So be ready, you Boston boys. All you Boston traders out there. Jack Kellogg, Strati. We're coming for you. The Rats are coming. The Cats are coming. This is our 3rd year being season ticket holders as Florida Panther fans. And now Stock Sniper Nick is filming and doing photography for them. So big shout out to the squad, and we're excited to be at the playoff games coming up versus Boston. And before we dive into the stock market, let's just talk about some current events, because the snipers are down here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yes, we are safe. Thank you for everyone that is asking. But if you did not see, I'm sure the whole world almost did, we almost went underwater. Fort Lauderdale got hit with pretty much a rain monsoon. People are saying it's a biblical moment. Some are saying God dropped bombs on the state of Florida, maybe because our governor. But I just know we witnessed something that I've never seen before. And honestly, we get hit by hurricanes and the rain usually isn't that bad. So I have a video clip. Gotta show it real quick. Just to show you how crazy it is. And shout out to all the Uber drivers. The Uber stock should be skyrocketing after stuff like this. So we live not too far away from the airport. A guy's Uber actually got stalled out in the water with all of his suitcases on the way home from the airport. He lived in our neighborhood. He decided to get out of the Uber and swim to our neighbor's house, then called another Uber. This is him actually using our neighbor's front porch and grabbing his luggages and bringing them into the next Uber. Look at this. It's knee-deep water. Unbelievable stuff that we got hit by, but we are safe. And even better, we were able to make it out this storm with actually 3 bags. So shout out to the sniper. 2 out of 3 of those bags were Bitcoin stocks, and that's where we'll start the stock market highlights this week. Bitcoin is back, baby, or you could at least say it, because we reached key levels. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum broke 6-month highs this week. Bitcoin breaking above 30,000, Ethereum breaking above 2,000. But what I want to point out is there is ways to actually make money in the stock market off Bitcoin moves like this without putting your money in sketchy Bitcoin brokers. FTX went under and now people can't get their money. Voyager, another big Bitcoin broker that went under and people can't get their money. So if you want to make some money in the stock market off of Bitcoin moves, you can still do that. And that's what we were able to do this week, profiting just about $1,000 on 3 different Bitcoin stocks. 2 of them in particular follow the exact price action of Ethereum and Bitcoin. They are both OTC grayscale stocks, so we love them because we are OTC buyers. Bitcoin's is GBTC. We were able to buy it on the breakout above 30K, and we made $500 overnight. And Ethereum's is ETHE. And Ethereum's is ETHE, where we were able to make $500 as well overnight when we took it from that breakout of 2K over to 2100. So both breakouts that we are playing, sniper pattern breakouts, and both of them are bags in Bitcoin related stocks without being in a sketchy Bitcoin broker. So shout out to Bitcoin this week. CPI numbers came out, and that judges inflation. Inflation actually says it went down this month. So nice to see that we actually beat expectations. We thought it was going to be 5.1% in inflation. We're actually at 5% now. Last month we were at 6%. So we are going down. Either way, I'm still showing up to Publix, my local grocery store, and the groceries are still skyrocketing. So I don't know what they could be talking about, but we'll see if we start to see inflation go down in our day-to-day life. With the inflation news, the market started with a nice gap up, dropped down after the news, but then got a great rally the day after. It's nice to see a nice rally in the market when everyone's talking bad about it. Another thing that everyone's talking bad about that actually turned down all the haters was the banking sector. The banking sector came out with earnings on Friday. We had JPMorgan beating earnings, Citi beating earnings, JPMorgan gapping up 7%, Citi gapping up 3%. So nice to see a nice rebound in the banking sector. We start next week on Money Monday with more banking stocks, Bank of America, that are going to come out with earnings. So we'll see if those can follow up with strong earnings and continue to get this market to keep rallying, even though we are trying to fight all the bad news that continues to come out. Either or, the snipers were able to have a great week this week, profiting over $1,500, and we took an AI-related OTC stock, AITX, over the weekend, looking very nice from 0064. It's all the way up to 0074. So we'll see if we could get the gap up on Money Monday morning to start the new week with a nice bag. The Panthers will be playing on Money Monday morning. This is a rat. That's what we do here in South Florida. We throw rats on the ice when we win games. It used to be when we score every goal, but they started to give us a penalty because it took too long to clean up. So now when we win a game, we're throwing rats. Hopefully we can win 4 versus Boston and move on for the 8th seed to beat the 1 seed with a big upset this upcoming week. Before I leave, don't forget next week is 420. 420 is the famous cannabis holiday, and we never know if it can possibly spark up a spike in the cannabis sector with stocks. We gotta watch MSOS and Tilray, TLRY. If those can get some sort of spikes, usually other listed stocks are able to spike, and then the OTC stocks usually follow behind. TCNNF, GTBIF, CRLBF, CURLF, PLNHF. Those are just a couple to give an example of. All of them be on the lookout for big spikes if we can get some volume coming up to 420 next week. If you want to find out about more stocks or what we're just tagging bags on weekly, check us out on our website at thestocksnipers.com or on our app store on the Google App Play or Apple App Store under Stock Snipers. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's 2-minute drill. It was a little longer, but that's only because we got hit with a monsoon, a biblical, literal moment down here in South Florida, but we are safe. Let's go Panthers. Let's go beat Boston. Screw the Bruins. See you back here next week. Peace.